Let's set up your login authentication file, .netrc, to enable SeaDAS to pull files directly from the NASA Earthdata website. This is needed for running some of the SeaDAS science processors and for using the SeaDAS Earthdata Cloud tools. I'm on a Mac. Linux and Windows will be similar, though with Windows you'll be doing this within a Docker terminal. If you don't already have a NASA Earthdata Login account, you can create it online at urs.earthdata.nasa.gov. Next, you'll need to edit or add a text file named .netrc in your home directory. I'm using the VI editor, but you can use the text editor of your choice. Just make sure this remains a plain text file with no editor formatting being stored in the file. The line you want to put in your .netrc file looks like this: machine urs.earthdata.nasa.gov, login, your username, password, your password. Just replace the uppercase username with your actual username and the uppercase password with your actual password, and save it as a text file. Now your computer can access and pull data from Earthdata using your login info. A final note, the .netrc file is a plain text file containing your login credentials, so it's best to secure this file. To do this, open a terminal window and at the command line run this command: chmod 600 /.netrc. This will change the file's access permissions such that only you, the logged in user, can view it. Run ls-l /.netrc, and you see the account user is the only one with permissions to read or write this file. Of course, a user logged in as system administrator would have permissions, but this shouldn't be much of a security concern as Earthdata Login just gives access to public data and is not used for any type of purchasing. However, as always, never use the same password which you use elsewhere. To get answers to SeaDAS questions, visit our forum and websites. Those links and any addendums to this video will be posted in the description below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and stay tuned for more SeaDAS tutorial videos.